What's going on, everyone? Corey from Yoda Expedition here to show you our black overlay for your chrome steering wheel emblem. So if you're like us, we hate the chrome emblems that come on the 4Runner from factory. So we have every single badge covered on this thing that is chrome except for the steering wheel. So we've got the black overlay here for our steering wheel emblem, and we're just going to simply peel off the double-sided tape on the back side and put it on. So I'm quickly just going to clean the surface so it sticks good. So just using glass cleaner. Wiping down the emblem good, make sure it's dry. Now we can go ahead and peel off the backing. And we can stick on our emblem. So before you install this, it might be a good idea to pull the fuse for your horn. So that way when you're sitting here pushing on this thing, you don't look like an idiot just sitting in your truck honking the horn. So if you guys are interested in picking up one of our steering wheel overlay emblems, they're available on yodaexpedition.com. I'll put the link down in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.